Do you also turn from one side to the other in hot summer nights? And does your body not cool down even though the window is open? Then watch this video. Hi, I'm Usha, and today I'd like to introduce you Peter, our tower fan. Peter is available in different colors: white, leatherette and black. Putting the tower fan into operation is very easy. First, screw Peter's base to the housing, then connect it to the power supply and press the on-off button on the device or on the remote control. When the blue LEDs light up and the beep sounds, Peter is ready to refresh you. Peter requires very little power and is still very powerful. The tower fan is slim and tall like a tower. Thanks to his tall design, he distributes the air evenly throughout the room. The tower fan can be controlled with a light touch on the touch panel. All functions can also be conveniently selected via the remote control. If you don't need the remote control at the moment or don't want to lose it, you can simply store it on the back of Peter. Peter is the perfect choice for the bedroom because he is very quiet on a low setting, and thanks to his dimmable LEDs, he lets you sleep like a log. If you just want a gentle breeze to help you fall asleep, you can set the timer at the touch of a button and Peter will switch off automatically. Thanks to his 6 speed levels, you can always set Peter to the speed that suits you best. If you're longing for a holiday under palm trees, simply switch on the natural breeze mode. Peter simulates natural wind conditions and lets you travel to faraway places. That's not enough for you to dream away? Then put a red jasmine fragrance pin on Peter and the additional jasmine fragrance will take you on holiday with all your senses. Of course, you can also dream yourself away to the forest or simply relax on the sofa with your favorite fragrance. If Peter is a little dusty after a while, you can easily clean him. Pull out the plug, loosen the screws, remove the grill, vacuum, wipe with a damp cloth and reassemble. With Peter, you are ready for tropical nights and hot days, whether at home or at work. Peter reliably provides pleasant refreshment. If you have any questions about Peter or would like to get more advice, please feel free to contact our Stadler Forum customer service. And now we wish you a sunny summer. Bye!